Guess what, guys? I found a chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. Whoa, fidgets! Lots of fidgets. Let's take the biggest one. Oh, it does so packed. Whoa, it was white in the thing, and now it's color changing, and it's a bracelet. Wow. Let's see the next thing. Stress ball, always good. Peach popper, I love this. Along with a pineapple popper. Ooh, mini popper. Pretty good. Monkey noodle jumbo, actually. This mochi. And this mochi. Wow, I got so much good stuff. Just from finding this. I'm going to put them back in. Not bad, let's close it. Voila.